This is Jeremy with Diesel Conversion Specialist. Just wanted to give you a quick tech tip overview of the transmission tuning services we offer, as well as what automatic transmissions will work with your conversion. So for your Ford enthusiasts, if you're looking to keep that Ford transmission, for the older transmissions, E4OD, 4R100, those two we use Quick Shift 4. That's a standalone controller. They equip you with a brand new harness in that as well, so you're kind of getting that old wiring out of the chassis. So we stick with those, and then you tune the transmission yourself via their software. So if your Ford diesel truck is 2003 to 2010, you would have had a 5R110 automatic transmission in those. For that application, we use HP tuners and tune those in-house here. You would wind up purchasing a MPVI4 device or a RTD device, and that would require 2 credits for the Ford tuning on that service. And you apply those credits, send us a stock tune, we modify it for you and send it back to you, and you're on the road. So one key factor to keep in mind when you're tuning those transmissions, when you're pulling that stock file does need to be a factory stock file. If it had been tuned previously, we won't be able to write over those previous tunes. Or if it's been deleted previously, we won't be able to write over that as well. It needs to be a Ford stock file. To get those Ford stock files, a lot of individuals use IDS Ford software. They'll take it to a Ford dealership, they'll call a local locksmith, or a local shop will have that software as well. So getting that flashback to stock, sending us the stock tune, and we'll modify from there and get you on the road. So thank you.